Kajian lang jong kabinet kelasong mentaka sengi khatsatrik na wing arhajar pesan hak jipnya menteri rang bak kejelau kontrak ke sama kelasim santli kirai hadin kajian thir kebabnya bat melayo yang jipan syai na ketenat sarkar lembag menteri BDP ya ketenat sarkar menteri BDP ya ketenat kakoi kia ba walat miki sila habakran higlap thai khubor hadin kajian lang jong kabinet laong ba hak kajian lang lasim ya karai bantit jakashu salai pesan akar hatin ring kane kalong ban penyaso ya ka administrative city bat ka knowledge city kane kalong ban rano ya ka patok kabadan hasor shilong syagate ka new shilong koi perkarai ka ba cabinet klasim kalong hak wedei bat ka kam meklia ministerial district establishment service rule arhajar khanyo hagane ka kam group d sanpho persen pendap nagi balatrei kum curricular casual workers dak wabut ya gajimpan mi hukum ke sarkar house nem khat khandai spa khandai punriu hakane ke jalan kabinet klasim karai ban pengkela ya kameklia fiscal responsibility and budget management act arhajar nriu karkum kane ka an kalong bala sya ya ke sarkar ban bu ya ka bha bala banwanra ya ka mangtengka ka baduna pisa lai persen na kayo ka kot jong ka jela dagane ke jimpan kela menta anla banwanra ya ke jimang tengka ka baduna pisa syakalai poin san nakayo kakot jong jela badagan ya kejimpan kela kan yarap ya sarkar jela banla ban simram shuh
agenda for the meeting of Cabinet held today on 14th of November 2025. So the first one is amendment of the Meghalaya Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act 2006. As you know, that is normal thing where the government of India has allowed us to increase our fiscal deficit from 3 to 3.5 to take loan. That is normally, like we have done it last year, but we have to do it every year. So this is normally to increase from 3 to 3.5. The second one is the acquisition of additional land at Tendring, New Shillong Township to serve a corridor between the administrative city and knowledge city. So this is, we have taken another 35 acres of land to shift our central jail from here, from the present one to New Shillong. The land is for that. And the third one is the amendment to Rule 6D of the Meghalaya Ministerial District Establishment Service Rule 2017 to provide for filling up of 50% of the Group D posts for the from amongst the regular casual worker. As you know that this has been a confusion in the past because there are 2 of 96 where it says that 50% of the posts will be Group D posts will be filled among the RCW, regular casual worker, but there is another OM which came in 2017 which says that all the posts will be filled by direct recruitment. So we just make it clear today that we are going with the 96 OM. We are just amending that from now onward 50% of the Group D posts will be filled from the RCW. And the fourth one is the service rule for the Meghalaya State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission. We are just amending on this, where we are where they will be allowed to have their own recruitment board and to recruit their staff. And the fifth one is the proposal for reappointment of the president of the State Commission and member to the Meghalaya State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission. Here, as you know, that the term of the Honorable Justice Shivaji Pandey as the President of Meghalaya State Consumer Commission shall come to an end on the 6/12/2025. And as per rule, the President of the State Commission shall be eligible for reappointment for another term of 4 years, subject the age limit of 67 years. So that's why, since his term is getting over on 6/12/2025, so he is we are going for the reappointment of Justice Shivaji Pandey as the president. And another, we have also recommended the name of the members. The 4 members recommended are Major Unsam Bantalang Nongset, Srimati Rupa Paul Chaudhary, Srimati Nelisa Ferret Karshieng, and Shri Bijoy A. Sangma. So these are the agenda discussed today in the Cabinet.